Hello there. For a while now, I've wanted to build something we could pull behind the ATV for grooming trails. I watched a lot of videos looking for ideas, and I finally settled on a design by Joe at Homesteadonomics that I think will meet our needs. I'll put a link in the description to his video. Once I had the design, I started gathering bits and pieces of material that I could build this from. My sister-in-law's dad built this frame many years ago to use as a dolly to launch his small boat. The snowplow operator smashed up this signpost. It's bent up pretty good, but I think I can still use parts of it. My neighbor Bob gave me these wheelbarrow tires. They'll really come in handy for this project. Thanks, Bob. We recently got a new garage door, but before we got rid of the old door, I stripped a lot of the hardware that I thought might come in handy down the road. And this hinge is quite sturdy, and I think it will come in handy for this project. I put it together with clamps so I could play with the design a bit, and I think I'm just about ready for some welding. So you only have to lift it enough to get it off the ground, but when you want to put it away, this will clear. And it will lay in, and it all is tidy. Think that'll work? Since some of the metal I'm using is galvanized, I've tried very hard to stay upwind and not to breathe in any of the fumes. With it roughly put together, it's time to take it for a trial run. I'm very happy with Joe's design, so I've gone ahead and rounded off some sharp corners and added some paint. My favorite feature of this design is that I can engage and disengage the teeth without getting off the bike. If you've spent any time around sailboats, you'll probably recognize this cam cleat arrangement. If I pull in line, it captures and cleats the line. If I pull slightly raised, it'll release. When I built the hinges, I used hitch pins so that I could easily remove this implement and trade it out for something different. So now, if I build another implement, I can easily add it in. I made the tongue removable for more convenient winter storage. I just pull out a hitch pin. I'm quite excited about what other implements I could build and incorporate into this system.